Hello everyone. As you know, there's a event in Gods Unchained that you going, and my last video, you can check my last video, there will be somewhere on the desktop on the screen. So the mechanism of the event, probably you knew it. It's to play at least 20 ranked games, but I recommend you to play 60 so you can make the full potential of your earnings. So I'll show you in a bit. That's the website where you can just track your progress. Like you see, I done 23 and I have 5 days left. So every 7 days you need to make your 60 games. My rank is Impact Meteorite. I'll show you in a bit. So the point of this video is to show you my deck and how actually to make money with it. If you want to withdraw your money, you need to connect your wallet, your MetaMask wallet, and your Gods Unchained account. After that, when you claim it from the site from here, there will be in your inventory, but be sure to be connected to this site also, and they will be here. Last week I received 10 gods, really good. I'm not completely sure. Let's see what's the price of this. So it's really not that good price right now, but as you can see, like a couple of days ago it was close to $9 and market cap is low, so don't worry about it, just play. It's free money, and keep the tokens if you want, cash them and buy something. So now I'm gonna show you. So that's my account from the game launcher. Go to workshop, and where is your custom deck? That's my deck. I'll show you my deck right now. I have a lot of with 1 energy. So I have this person, it gives 1 attack when attack, 1 strength when attack. This guy, when you put him on the field, you can directly attack opponent, but only card, not the god. This one against, this one damage the other creatures. This is really good. That's the epic card or a mythic, I'm not completely sure, but this card gives you a lot of potential to win. You have big potential to win if you have some in with all this one. So after that, my deck that's brand new. I received it just in my pack right now at level 50. So it's a good card. I haven't played it yet, but I will. I have some frontliners, so you need to have those. Like I have not that many, but they're really important because they will defend you and you will have shield. Your god will be safe this way. After that, my deck is 1 frontline, of course. This one is a backliner. So your opponent needs to kill your whole, like every monster on the field, and this one will be the last. They can attack this one or the other ones, to kill other ones. This one is really good, 5 health, but it's just a regular cards, you know, everybody can have those. I haven't paid anything and I'm rank 7 or 8, I'm not completely sure. I was even probably 1 rank more, I'm not completely sure, I can see in a bit. And yeah, so I have a little in for energy, a couple like just 2 on 5 energy. This one is blitz, this one, and twin strike. This guy woman just when you put it on the field, it can attack directly, not the god at first turn, of course, only opponent's cards, monsters, but it's twin strike. You'll strike twice. Really good. This one summon high-ends, 2 of them. So 1 frontier more, and this guy deals 4 damage, so it's really good. And of course I have we just remove it, but don't worry, we will find it. And the last guy was from 7. It was this guy here. It's a front line with 10 health and 6 strength. It's really good. So that's my deck. It's simple. I never play anything else, and I play like for a month already, and I win a lot of, like, I'm close to Astro Meteorite. I was an Astro Meteorite like yesterday. So that's my deck. You can copy it if you want. I show you how to withdraw. Like, I have one ready to be withdrawn, but I'll wait. And that's the requirements, the reward. You can check it in my last video. Here you can check your progress, do the 60 matches, and the other 2 are easy. Impact Meteorite, the current rank, yeah, Impact Meteorite. See, I have 120 wins. So but I'm not, yeah, that's wins. So, like 4 or 5 weeks, and I play only these, and winner, and these 2, 3 I lose, but most of them are winning. Top rating and everything, you can see the chart here. And yeah, that's the video. And at the last, I want to say, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for everything. And if you want to help the channel, there will be a link in the description for Honey Game, and you will get $5 directly for free when you sign in. It's free money, and this one will work for you. Like, it will be a passive income. You just open it, start it, and with your data and your power from the PC, you will receive like honey that you can turn it into money. At $20 you can withdraw it to PayPal, some other stuff, you can check it. So thank you for watching, and see you soon.